This is the Visconti Midnight in Florence Homo Sapiens fountain pen. It comes in a large wood box. It has a purple color to match the pen, and of course the ink viewing window so you can see the pen inside. The Visconti logo is printed on the top of the lid with Midnight in Florence Homo Sapiens here in the corner. This lid will lift off. It has a fabric bed with the Visconti Homo Sapiens Midnight in Florence fountain pen. The pen has chrome trim with a traditional Visconti art-shaped clip. Nice, easy open to slide it into a pocket. On the top of the cap is the Visconti medallion or logo. It has two rings, which is a traditional design with the Homo Sapiens here on the center of the cap, and a ring at the center of the pen that is engraved with Homo Sapiens, and the number of the pen is engraved on that as well. Has a different color resin on the cap as opposed to the barrel of the pen. The barrel has a demonstrator style, so you can see inside and see the piston filling mechanism and the ink levels inside, but the colors match. And a knob on the end of the barrel of the pen with a small ring here. This knob will actuate your power filler. It has a hood safe lock mechanism. Nice, quick, easy half twist, and the cap will come off the pen. You can see the little grooves here for that with a matching resin section. You can post the cap on the pen if you want to. It comes with a palladium nib with the Visconti logo engraved and a black feed on the pen. Since it's a piston style fountain pen, you would use the knob on the end of the barrel of the pen here to actuate the piston to fill the pen with ink. Use bottle inks only. Great pen. The Homo Sapiens is a great design and very popular. Get your Visconti Homo Sapiens Midnight in Florence fountain pen at penchalet.com.